We're excited to present this preview of the soon-to-be-released, we're talking in the next couple of days, Go Yocoin replicated web page. The first thing you'll notice is that when somebody that you send your referral link to comes to the page, you will already be cookied or linked here in the address bar. Once in the website, your referrals can take a tour. For example, they can look at all about Yocoin. As you scroll down this page, you'll find a fantastic library of reference videos and educational information that you and your potential referrals will find useful. Of course, you or they can always look at the sitemap to see exactly where they can find information on this website. Most importantly, we want you to know this. When your referrals come to your replicated page, like what they see and decide to buy some Yocoin, they're going to click this link, and that will open this page, which is the preferred customer application page. Now, the first thing you'll notice is that your enroller YC number is already populated in this form, so that when your referral makes a purchase or any purchase moving forward, those purchases will be credited directly to you. Now that you're here, why don't you take a few minutes, familiarize yourself with the website, and enjoy this, knowing that it will be out and available to you in the next few days.